goes wiggle, 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 wiggle. The sea is home to creatures so bright, swimming and playing from morning to night. The sharks in the sea go chomp, 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 chomp. The pufferfish in the sea go puff, 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 puff. The squids in the sea go squirt, 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 squirt. The seals in the sea go arf, 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 arf. The lobsters in the sea go clap, 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 clap. The waves in the sea go splash, 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 splash. The waves in the sea go splash, splash, splash all day long.
Way up north where the ice is white, penguins dance with all their might. They slide and glide on frozen ground, flapping wings and spinning round. Fly like a penguin, spin like a seal, shake, 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 it's a wintry feel. The polar bear stops, big and strong, clapping paws to the icy song. The walrus wobbles side to side with a happy grin so big and wide. March like a bear, wobble like a whale, let's all dance in the frosty gale. Snowflakes swirl, the wind says boo, but the Arctic friends know what to do.
Fishy fish swimming in the sea. Octopus with 8 long arms wiggling all around. Dolphins jumping high and low, playing in the waves. Turtle with a sturdy shell gliding through the blue. Crabs are crawling on the sand with their pinchers wide. Jellyfish that softly glow, drifting in the tide. Seahorse twirls in gentle waves, holding on so tight. Starfish resting on the reef, shaped just like a star. Whales are swimming far and wide, the giants of the sea. Sharks are sleek and strong and fast, swimming in the deep. Lobsters crawl along the rocks, their claws are big and red. Stingrays glide like floating wings beneath the ocean's bed. Eels twist like ribbons long, hiding in the cracks. Clams are resting in their shells, opening and shut. Pufferfish puff up so big, like a round balloon. Coral grows so colorful in reefs of every hue. Let's name all the ocean friends swimming in the sea. Learning as we sing along, so much fun to see.